Which is the first animal to go into space? The correct answer is option B, dog. Which gas is filled in flying balloons? The correct answer is option A, helium. In which country is the world's toughest examination held? The correct answer is option B, China. On the banks of which river is the Statue of Unity located? The correct answer is option B, Narmada River. Which country has the world's largest cemetery? The correct answer is option B, Iraq. Which state in India produces the most oranges? The correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Which creature hangs upside down on the tree? The correct answer is option D, sloths. Which is the most expensive snake in the world? The correct answer is option D, green tree python. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? The correct answer is option D, camel. What will be the antonym of laughing? The correct answer is option B, crying. Which fruit never gets infested with insects? The correct answer is option C, banana. Which is the busiest part of the human body? The correct answer is option C, the heart. Which country grew cotton plants on the moon? The correct answer is option A, China. Which creature knows the time of its death in advance? The correct answer is option C, scorpion. What increases the weight faster by eating gram and jaggery daily? The correct answer is option B, strength. Which is the most powerful country in the world? The correct answer is option D, United States. In which country do rich people send others to jail in their place? The correct answer is option B, China. Which is the fastest growing plant in the world? The correct answer is option C, bamboo. Which grain is eaten the most in India? The correct answer is option C, rice. Which country has the maximum number of trains? The correct answer is option A, United States. Which is the most intelligent fish in the world? The correct answer is option C, manta ray. Which bird can fly both forward and backward? The correct answer is option D, hummingbirds. The leaf of which tree sells for more than a diamond? The correct answer is option C, cone leaf. Which disease is caused by mosquito bite? The correct answer is option A, malaria. In which state is the oil well named Mangala located? The correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. How many players are there in Kabaddi game? The correct answer is option B, 7 players. In which country has there been no earthquake till date? The correct answer is option D, Saudi Arabia. In which country is the most spicy food eaten? The correct answer is option D, Thailand. Which is the national game of India? The correct answer is option C, hockey. Which country's national flower is tulip? The correct answer is option A, Netherlands. Which organism's DNA is closest to human DNA? The correct answer is option D, chimpanzee. In which country is wearing yellow clothes are banned? The correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Which creature gives both milk and eggs? Tell me the answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel for latest videos.